Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can add auto captions on Instagram stories. So let's go ahead and open up Instagram real quick. Now I did do a video on how to do this for Instagram Reels. The process is pretty much similar. So you can tap your story where it says here where your profile icon is to create a new story. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the camera just like that. And now to create an Instagram story, you first need to record it for the auto captions to work. So I'm going to record something real quick. This is just a test recording for this specific YouTube video. I'll let go of the record button, and that's just some sample audio that I just came up with. Now to add the auto captions, tap the stickers icon located there at the top, and then you should see this caption sticker option right over there. Tap on captions, it will transcribe the audio real quick. That'll just take a moment. And if I put the volume up, the record button, something real quick. This is just a test recording for this specific. So as you can hear, it's giving the captions for exactly what was said within that Instagram story. If you tap on the text, you can scroll through the text and you can edit it. If there was a mistake in the text, then when you've done, tap on done and then tap on done again. When you're ready to post this, tap done at the top right and then tap on the arrow at the bottom right hand corner. And then you can post that to your story, and you can add all your other effects and everything like that as well. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.